Consider planning a surprise weekend getaway or day trip. It doesn't have to be somewhere far or extravagant. A nearby scenic spot will do just fine. The surprise element will add a touch of romance and excitement to the day. Why not attend a virtual cooking or mixology class together? It's a fun way to learn something new and enjoy a delicious meal or drink. And the best part, you can do it right from the comfort of your home. Organize a virtual game night with friends or family. It's a great way to spend Valentine's Day if you're a fan of friendly competition. You can play anything from trivia to online board games. It's all about having fun and sharing laughter. Why not set up a DIY spa night at home? Light some candles, play soothing music, and pamper yourselves with a relaxing evening. It's a delightful way to unwind and enjoy each other's company. Take a scenic nature walk or hike together. It's a wonderful chance to connect with nature and each other, away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Plan a movie marathon of your favorite romantic films. It's a cozy and heartwarming way to spend the evening. Don't forget the popcorn! Try cooking a special homemade dinner together. Choose a new recipe to make it more exciting. Not only will you learn something new, but you'll also create a delicious meal to enjoy. Write love letters to each other and exchange them on Valentine's Day. It's a beautiful and intimate way to express your feelings. Plus, it creates a lasting memory you can look back on. Create a personalized photo album or scrapbook of your favorite memories together. It's a thoughtful gesture that shows how much you value your time spent together. Plan a cozy indoor picnic with your favorite foods. It's a simple yet romantic way to celebrate your love. You can even make it extra special by including foods that have a special meaning to both of you. Whether you're celebrating your first Valentine's Day together or your 50th, these ideas offer something for everyone. They're all about creating memories, sharing experiences, and celebrating love in unique and meaningful ways. So this Valentine's Day, think outside the box and make it a day to remember.